Hello, my name is Lucina, and I don't know how you made it to this corner of the internet, but we're glad you're here. Today I'm reviewing this hair dye. Also, this is my cat Mowgli, and apparently I'm still learning how transitions work. This is the back of my head. As you can see, my hair is different levels of fried, burnt, and sauteed. My goal was to get rid of this yellow line here. I have a playlist of all the videos I've done to show how my hair got to this color without bleach. I'll link that at the end of this video. So let's get started. I recommend that if you're going to your mom's house to dye your hair, you might as well bring your laundry because this is gonna take a while. Also, I'm pretty sure that my last hair video blew up because of all the dogs that I showed. So this is Penny. Here's a pro tip: don't wear your favorite new shirt. I bought this to help people subconsciously realize that I'm a 90s baby, so maybe I'll stop getting comments that I look 12. Thankfully, my mom had the perfect dirty shirt in my favorite shade of blue. Supplies you will need: water to stay hydrated, a hair dyeing kit, and several clippies. I also brought a phone to film and charger. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to read this. I'll wait. You might also be interested in this. I'm not. I don't trust this. At this point, I'm realizing I should have bought two. When my mom got to the last sections of my hair, she started to freak out and cut the bottle open, even though it probably says do not puncture. Nope. So one bottle did cover all of my hair, but that definitely was a close one, and we ended up using every last drop. So if you read the instructions, you'd know that step 1 is to clip your hair back. Here I'm reading the instructions again to make sure we didn't miss anything. This is my phone case. It looks like a wallet that looks like a notebook. So cute. But yeah, the rest of this is pretty straightforward. Tip I would say is make sure your hair is brushed. I think it also recommends that in the instructions. We went to go get a comb. So I'm going to use this time to give you my honest opinions on this product. I like the way that my hair turned out in the end, but I'm afraid that if I use this again, it would just damage my hair more because I've already used box dye on it like 3 times. And all in all, I'm just glad it didn't fry my hair off. I'm a little disappointed that my hair isn't any softer, but I think that's because I saved the shampoo and conditioner that it came with for another day because today wasn't my wash day. And here I make the mistake of telling my mom to get my bangs, and now you can see my 5 head. Doing these hair videos is literally the most embarrassing things that I could put on the internet. My last hair dye video is the only one that's ever gone my version of viral, which means, well, right now I view a video as viral if it gets over 50 views and lands me 1 subscriber. That's my goal. I've been trying to do this YouTube thing for over a year now, and I'm actually planning on doing a video about that. But anyways, my last hair video got me over 3,000 views and 1 subscriber, but it was just meant to be a funny, silly little video tutorial. But it got thousands of people to watch me making alien noises to my sister. But I regret nothing. That's why I wanted to use this time-lapse time to say something impactful, just in case this video has the same results. But this clip is already almost over. This is the only hair dye kit that I've ever seen come with a cap. I found that to be useful.
Oh, you can't see it. Wait. Okay, there we go. There's a transition. Oh, wow, this is so nice. I can go take a nap. Oh my god, don't get it in my eyes. Okay. Okay, thank you. Time it. 20 minutes takes you to 1 o'clock. Yep.
It also came with this face wipe. I forgot to film myself using it, but it worked. So here are some ideas for what to do with your 20 minutes. I used this time to edit a shorts video and gaslight you into thinking that it took me less than 20 minutes to edit that short when it actually took me 3 days. So just imagine how long this 7-minute video is going to take me to edit. Another idea is to have a snack. I have no idea what this is, but my mom called it turkey nuguri or something like that. What I really recommend is doing your nails, but doing that first because I got up after this and ruined them when I went to go wash my hair out. I also got distracted because I thought it was funny that my brother had a machete in his bathroom drawer, but then it just kept getting weirder. Another pro tip, these space buns work a lot better than socks, and they're socially acceptable to wear in public. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Or if you're one of those who skipped ahead to the results, that's okay. I do the same thing too sometimes. But go back now, because you'll find out what I really think of this product. Or if you made it this far without skipping, please comment something. That will make me realize that you watched the middle parts, and maybe it could be our little inside joke. If you end up commenting right now that you don't see a difference, I'll be mad because you can't see it through the screen, or you're colorblind. Honestly, there's not too much of a change. I don't think people will notice. It's different enough that I notice when I look in the mirror. I don't cringe from seeing that yellow in my hair. But it's also not different enough that my husband came home and didn't notice, but when I asked him what he thought of it, he said it now looks one color and strawberry-ish, so I'm happy. Please remember to watch my other hair transformation videos and subscribe so that I know that you want more hair updates. And ring the bell if you want to be notified when I make those hair updates. Also comment if you have or you're planning to use this product. I want to know what it did to your hair. Okay, thanks, bye.